That is really awesome.
Here we go. Ooh, the Phoenix. Caw-caw!
She doesn't look pleased with your cawing.
No, there she is right there. She's awesome looking. So I love the red suit with the gold boots and gloves. She's got part of her foot exposed, which happens if you wear really tight boots. They don't fit properly. They can rub and irritate.
That does not happen.
Same thing that's happening with her belt right there. And then she's got a finger exposed there and there. Apparently she didn't get the memo about the fingerless glove thing not being a thing anymore. And I like her lustrous hair. Even though she's a zombie, she's still fashionable.
That's right.
She's got the dark eye thing going on. She tried to do the smoky eye look.
Yeah.
She's probably watching Makeup Gurus.
Probably.
And I love the Phoenix behind her. That is really cool looking. Phoenix. Alright, thank you one more time to Funko for sending us this case of Marvel Zombies. We ended up getting the entire collection of them, including all the chase figures, which was super awesome. Let's take a look.
We have a cat foot, too.
We do. Here's the rest of the cat. Provides a good backdrop for the figures.
Yes.
Alright, Shannon, let's pick our favorite regular figure and our favorite chase figure.
Okay. I am going to go with... My favorite regular is going to be Deadpool.
Deadpool, favorite regular. Okay.
Right there.
Right.
My favorite chase figure, I think I'm going to go with Wolverine in the grayscale version.
Nice pick. Okay, I'm going to go with Magneto as my favorite regular figure.
Nice.
My favorite chase figure... Oh, this is tough. Oh, they don't make much Gambit stuff. I want to go with Gambit, but not in the grayscale. I'm going to go with the Phoenix as my favorite chase figure.
Okay, cool.
How about you guys? Which one of these did you like the best? Leave a comment down below. Let us know. Leave the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit the share button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That will make you part of the PS Toy Reviews crew where Jack will sleep through a zombie attack. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.